In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace Tutorial for Beginners 2026, free training how to make a professional website. We'll start right at squarespace.com. Click Get Started to begin. This opens the setup flow where you'll decide how you want to build. If you already have a clear vision, browse the pre-designed templates. You can filter by industry or style and preview how each layout handles images, text, and navigation. Pick one that matches your brand's vibe and content needs so you spend less time reworking later. If you want a head start based on goals, try the Blueprint AI Builder. It will ask a few questions about your site and then generate a suggested structure. This is helpful if you're not sure which pages to include or how to lay them out. Either way, you'll end up with a starting point you can fully customize. Next, sign up with an email or a connected social account to enter your editing dashboard. Once inside, head to the Pages panel. This is your site's map. Here, organize your menu so visitors can find what they need quickly. Create core pages like Home, About, Services, and Contact. Keep names short and clear to make navigation intuitive. If you plan to publish articles or updates, add a blog. For selling products or services, add a store. You can manage items, pricing, and basic fulfillment later, but setting it up now creates the right structure from the start. Use the not linked section to hold drafts or seasonal pages you don't want visible in your main navigation yet. They remain live if you share the link, but they won't clutter your top menu. Open site styles using the brush icon to make global design changes. Set your brand's fonts, colors, and animations here so everything stays consistent across pages. Choose readable typography, establish a primary and accent color, and use animations lightly to keep things polished and performant. Click Edit on any page to open the visual builder. Add sections to create clear, scrollable chunks of content. Within each section, insert blocks like text, images, buttons, galleries, and forms. Keep paragraphs scannable, use descriptive headings, and add alt text to images for accessibility and SEO. Align buttons to a single primary style so calls to action are obvious. Finish with professional touches. Upload your logo and a favicon for browser tabs. In your SEO settings, add descriptive page titles and meta descriptions to help search engines understand your content. Then connect your social links so visitors can follow or share your work. With these pieces in place, you'll have a clean, cohesive, and professional Squarespace site ready to grow with your goals.